Hello friends! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the advanced data validation function. You can see here, we have employee data, in which we can enter employee data. But while entering employee data, we need to make sure duplicate employee ID is not included. Now, if we enter unique ID, it will accept it, but if we enter any duplicate data, it will give us error. It also prompt message that duplicate employee ID not allowed, but it will not give us error while entering unique data. This is what we will learn in this video. And we will use simple and few functions in order to create such data validation function. But before that, please subscribe to our channel. Let's start our example. You can see here, we have employee data table. We can enter employee data in the table. Entering manually data is also helpful. But in order to make sure that we have not incorporated duplicate employee data, we use here advanced data validation function. To change numbers into currency, we simply use short trick. Press Ctrl, Shift and $. You can decrease decimal numbers. Now, we can enter employee data to check. So, we start applying data validation. Now, to apply data validation first, we select Employee ID column, then go on Data tab for data validation. Now, we can either limit our text using text length option. You can either use range or provide exact text. This will restrict our text length. We can test our length restriction formula. But if we enter more than 4 characters, it will give error. But our requirement is to enter unique data and not to allow duplicate ID. To do this, first we need to select whole column. Then, we need to go on Data tab for data validation function. First, we will clear all used functions. Then, we need to select Custom option. And we write here our desired formula. COUNTIF formula will help us to make unique data. Now, we need to give column range with constant sign like our B column. This is the reference of employee ID column. After that, we need to select our first employee ID cell or give reference of it. Finally, write equals to 1 for uniqueness. We also use here prompt message while getting error. So, we use here title of error that help us to know what it requires. Like, we can write here unique employee ID. In the error, we can write like, duplicate employee ID not allowed. You can also use your concised error as well. But it is suggested that error should be self-explanatory. Now, we need to test our whole function. First, we enter random employee data. Now, if we insert duplicate employee ID, it shows as error that we have defined. Now, we again test it. But if we insert unique ID, it will accept. This function is very important in salary or payroll relates data, or any transaction related to unique ID. If you face any issue while using it, please write in our comments section.